Hello there. Welcome to the Guarantee Downline Club. The Guarantee Downline Club is the only downline club that pays you to join for free. And that's why I said you get paid to join for free. So pay close attention. I'm going to show you how you can make hundreds, even thousands and more with the Guarantee Downline Club. Again, with free money. This is awesome. But first of all, let's look at other downline clubs. And what is a downline club anyway? Well, normally a downline club is usually an exciting free to join platform. In other words, a website where you can sign up and you can join free with other people. They're excited. The downline club is a group of people working together for the goal of making money. That's why they're excited, right? Also, a downline club provides a free vehicle for members to sponsor other members. Again, you'll get you join up at a web page, you get your URL, you share it with people, and they sign up and they join with you. Now, the main goal of the DLC is to join a paid program as a group, hoping to make money. So normally they like to build their downline club to 1,000, 5,000, 100,000, even more. So when they join together into a paid program, then everyone makes a whole bunch of money. Now, a good benefit of being in a downline club is that when you join that paid program with them, the members may see spillover from their upline. So what's spillover? Well, let's say Johnny sponsors you and you didn't sponsor anyone in the downline club, but when it came time to join the paid program, all of a sudden you see 1, 2, 3, maybe 10 people underneath you. Where did they come from? Well, they came from Johnny, or maybe Johnny's sponsor or their sponsor. It's the upline spilling over people into your positions, making you money in the paid program. Also, the members may receive money from their downline members' efforts. So let's say those 10 people that Johnny got for you, you made money with them, but now they have brought a bunch of people into the paid program, maybe 30, 40, 50. And then you get paid for those people too. So you got money from spillover for Johnny, you got money from the people that Johnny placed there for you. Also, members may make money in the paid program from members who they sponsored into the paid program. That means you're personally sponsored members. So you get money from Johnny's spillover, you get money from the members that were placed on you who, when they bring in the members, and if you did sponsor members, you're gonna get money from them. You're also gonna get money from the people they bring in. That's why people join downline clubs. They're excited to join into this paid program. But I gotta tell you this, I'm gonna show you why the Guarantee Downline Club will make you money. And this is going to be life-changing. So let me go over a few bullets here real fast. Pay close attention as I explain it to you and show you how we beat the other downline clubs. Well, first of all, we pay you $5 to join the Guarantee Downline Club for free. That's right. There's absolutely no paid memberships in the GDLC. Not at all. We pay you $5 as soon as you sign up. So you join the club, you look in your back office, you say, wow, I got $5. And that's amazing. Now watch these two next points. One, we pay you 50 cents for every free member you sponsor and keep. We also pay you 50 cents for every free member passed up to you. So you might say, hey, wait a minute, what's this part right here that we, for every free member that you sponsor and keep? What do you mean by that? Well, in the Guarantee Downline Club, every member, including you, will have to pass up every other member to their sponsor. Okay? So let's say Johnny's your sponsor and you sponsor 20 people. Well, 10 of them are going to go to Johnny. And how does that work? Is 1 to you, the first to you, the second to Johnny, third to you, fourth to Johnny, fifth to you, sixth to Johnny, seventh to you, eighth to Johnny, ninth to you, the 10th to Johnny. And he goes on and on like that. And maybe you say, wait a minute. I don't like that. You know, if I sponsor 20 people, I want 20 people. I want to get paid for 20 people. Well, look at it this way, though. Look at the second part here. We pay you 50 cents for every free member passed up to you. Okay, so what does that mean? So let's say you passed up 10 of the 20 to Johnny. Well, you kept 10. Well, what happens with those 10? They have to do the same thing that you did. So if those 10 people, they sponsored, let's say they average 20 people each, and they have to pass up 10 to you. What's 10 times 10? That's 100 people passed up to you. And right there, that's a fast $50 right there for you, passed up to you. Even though you only sponsored 20, you only kept 10, but now you have 100 new people passed up to you. Not only that, what happens to that 100? They have to do the same thing. So when they do it, what does that mean? That's another 1,000 people passed up to you, that's a fast $500 from people being passed up to you. And it goes on and on and on. And remember, these are free members. They all signed up. They all got paid $5, right? They made $5 as soon as they joined. And guess what? And you got 50 cents for all the ones you kept and all the ones passed up to you. This is totally amazing. It's never been done before. But look at the benefits of us doing it this way. Okay, first of all, members stay engaged because of the free money they receive, right? So think about it. Remember the first one, people lose interest right away. Are they going to lose interest right away with the Guarantee Downline Club? Of course not, because since they're receiving money immediately, what are they going to do? They're going to sign up, looking to back off. Wow, I got money. I got to tell people about this. This is cool. They're going to look in there. They're not going to forget about it because they already made money. What could be more exciting? What other program could be more exciting than that for them, right? Also, members continue to sponsor free members because of the free money they receive. So what they do, so they're going to sign up, get $5. They're going to tell everyone about it because they know they're going to get free money. And they come in the next day. How much have I made? How many people do I have? They come in, look, I got people passed up to. I got even more money. Next day, how much money I have now? How many more people have I got in? And they'll continue to sponsor because each person coming in is going to pass up even more money to them. Also, more members will join the paid program because they made money with the GDLC and because they stayed knowledgeable about the Guarantee Downline Club. So remember all the other ones when we said when they joined the paid program, maybe 95 to 99% didn't join, and mostly because they lost interest along the way. Well, with the Guarantee Downline Club, they're never going to lose interest. They're going to be coming in daily. They're going to be looking forward to this paid program. What if we have 100,000 members when we go to the first paid program? What's that going to mean to you? Well, if you're here near the top, what if 99,000 people joined after you? What does that mean? That means you're going to make a lot of money in the paid program because these people stayed knowledgeable. They came in every day. How much have I made? Look at the money. What if they made all this money for free so they know when it comes time to the paid program, they're going to make some serious buck. And also think about this too. These people that you get passed up to you and the people that you keep, when we joined the paid program, I truly, honestly believe that we're going to see people make 6 figures or more in the paid program on the first day than when we join as a team. But the thing, look at it this way. What if you had 1,000 people passed up to you that joined you into the paid program? Not only do you make money for them, you'll be their personal sponsor. What if the company did a $10 bonus for each person that you personally sponsored, and you brought in 1,000 people that you sponsored? That's a $10,000 bonus on sign-up day, not to mention the money you'll be making with the paid program. And also, members will continue to sponsor other members because the Guarantee Downline Club has many more ways to make money, which you'll find out when you become a member. This is amazing. So what do you need to do right now? You need to join the Guarantee Downline Club today. So what I want you to do is join us and start making money today. Make 2020 your year to become wealthy. May the money be with you. And just click the Join Free Now button to the right and join now. I want to thank you for listening to me. This is an amazing program, and I can't wait for you to jump on board and start making free money today. Thank you very much.